Today we are going to learn about impasto painting. There are lots of famous painters who use the impasto technique in their art. One of my favourite artists is Vincent van Gogh, and one of the paintings he used the impasto technique for was the sunflower. So what is impasto painting? Impasto painting is a thicker, more textured kind of painting. Let's create your own sunflower impasto painting. We're going to begin with gathering our resources: paints, pots, paper, brushes and flour. Spend some time experimenting with the texture that feels right for you. It should be thick but still in a liquid form. Sometimes we can get carried away and it becomes way too thick. I know I do. So when you're ready, let's get creative.